Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how you can download Photoshop for free, and I'll show you every step of installing it in your computer. First of all, you will need this torrent downloader, uTorrent, and this torrent file. I will add download link for both files in the video description. Once you download uTorrent, you can install it and open it like this. I have downloaded Photoshop using this torrent file. As you can see, it's already in my torrent client, so it's in there. In my next videos, I'll show you how you can install Illustrator, InDesign, After Effects, Premiere Pro, Adobe Audition. For now, let's get started with installing Photoshop. Okay, first of all, we have to read this instruction. Okay, at the very first we have to disable internet connection. I'll disable it here. I disabled internet connection. Then they ask to make sure we don't have this information in the host file. I'm sure I don't have it. If you want, you can check it from your computer, C drive, Windows, System 32, driver, etc, host file, open with Notepad. I don't have it. Okay, let's install Photoshop. First, you have to choose 32-bit or 64-bit. If you are not sure about your computer system, then click my computer, right click on my computer, properties, then you will see 64-bit or 32-bit. I'll choose 64 and double click. It's taking few moments. Okay, we have to install it as a trial. Sign in later, accept, install. This is going to take a few minutes. Now I'll choose Launch to open Photoshop. I'll click sign in later, start trial. Okay, and I'll close it now. Okay, next step is copying this file inside Photoshop CC. We have this file here. This one, I'll copy it, go to C drive, I'll click on the program files, Adobe Photoshop, and paste the file here. Replace, continue, it replaced. Next step is to block the host file. I have to copy this file inside host file. Okay, copy. I'll go to C drive, Windows, System 32, driver, 83, host. I'll open it, Notepad. I'll paste this information here and I'll click save. And I think this is pretty much it. Now we can reactivate internet and use Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.